Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set a password on Dell 7320 Detachable. To do it, go to Settings, then in Settings go to Accounts. Now you can find Sign-in options, and here is facial recognition, fingerprint recognition, PIN and security key. So to set a password, just click on PIN. I already have a PIN, so I can click on Change PIN, then enter my current one and the new one. And if I want to use letters and symbols as well, I can click here to include them. And now I can set a password with symbols. Let's do that again. And click on OK. And now my PIN is set to that new one. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.